Adding Accordion without using a plugin is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. For now, click on Plugins and press Add New. Here, the Add Plugins page will appear. On the left side panel, you will see the same options as on the home dashboard. Below Add Plugins, you will see a navigation bar which shows Featured, Popular, Recommended, Favorites. There will be many plugins available already recommended by WordPress. On the top right corner, you will see your search bar. You can also search by keywords. For now, simply click on the search bar and write Header Footer Code Manager. Click on Install Now for the first plugin and activate it. Now, we will open our main website and copy CSS and JavaScript code from the project website. Scroll on your website and click on Copy to Clipboard for copying the code. Now, we will again open our dashboard and click on Plugins. From here, click on Customize. On the left side panel, you will see many options. Click on Additional CSS. A notepad will appear here. Paste the code which you copied. Then, click on the Publish button available on the top right corner of the notepad. Now, again come to your main dashboard and open your website. Copy your custom JavaScript code from here also. From the main dashboard, click on the plugin which you installed, Header Footer Code Manager. Then click on All Snippets. On the top, there will be Add New Snippet. Click on it. Now, a whole page will appear. Fill out the form accordingly. In the last text box, paste the code which you copied from the website. Click on the Save button. Now, we will add Accordion HTML code. For this, click on Pages and Add New Page. Add your title here and copy the Accordion HTML code template from the website. Now, open the text pad of your computer and paste the HTML code here. Edit the paragraph and button class with what you want to write. Repeat this process to create your paragraphs. Now, finally, copy the entire HTML code. On the page section, click on the plus icon and choose Custom HTML. Paste your code here which you copied. On the top right corner, click on the Publish button. And finally, we are done. Now, click on the View Page button available on the bottom left corner. You will see it will now show you the Accordion section. So, that's how you can add an Accordion section without using a plugin.